What's up, guys? It's your boy Wkhs. As always, remember to hit those thumbs to recharge my dopamine, and we will get right into your quick stock analysis of Workhorse Group, ticker symbol WKHS, trading for $14.80 as of July 10th, 2020, equating to a market cap of over $1 billion, which represents over a 350% increase in share price in the last year alone, and yet around a 30% pullback from its highs seen just last week. So what's the move? Are we hitching Workhorse to the cart, or are they a one-trick pony? This is your quick stock analysis. I will admit, my first point is rather petty, and I know I'm going to get some hate for it. But y'all need to step up your digital appearance now that you're a billion-dollar company. You couldn't even bother to proof your website. And y'all still got the HTML file tag in the URL of your official website. That's basic IT. Always clean the root directory. And I shouldn't, but I can't resist. Check out this video that the company's flexing with their ragtag crew hand assembling this delivery van. I mean, just look at that billion-dollar tool shelf and this state-of-the-art production line. I mean, how many engineers does it take to screw in a single screw? Well, apparently 3. And y'all are masked up, so you know this video was made recently. If you do get this deal with the USPS, how are you going to feasibly accomplish it with a production line like this? But don't get it twisted. After all, these guys are geniuses. And if any of you at Workhorse are watching, 10 grand and I will make you the most official, legit website worthy of a billion-dollar company. You can get a hold of our people and we'll hook you up. Anyways, let's get into your proper quick stock analysis. Currently, the company's goal is to produce and deliver 300 to 400 vehicles in total for fiscal 2020, and their sales from Q1 2020 were $84,000, compared with $364,000 in the first quarter of 2019. And of course, this isn't net income. The company had to spend millions of dollars to make that $84,000. Their balance sheet is terrible in every measurement, and the company is going to have to dilute shareholders for years to come, just to finance business operations. However, their products are cool. Electric delivery vans are the future without question. After all, they are superior to their gas-powered counterparts from an environmental and cost perspective. The idea of delivery drones is worthy of some hype, which makes sense. After all, this is a hype company. However, for good reason, the transition to these concepts are going to happen faster than people expect. But remember that Workhorse isn't the only equine in the stable. Let's get it out of the way first. Yes, in the future, drones may represent a huge catalyst for the company. And yes, it is important to note that drones have already been approved for flight, which is great and a cool concept. I just don't know how feasible it currently is, but certainly worthy of some hype, and in the future, their patents could be a great revenue source for the company. However, this is going to be way down the line. Currently, it's not a realistic source of income. And after all, they have plenty of competitors in the EV drone market, including Plug and Amazon. If you want to check out a quick stock analysis, link in the description. Alright, I think we've been rough enough on Workhorse, and now that half of you have disliked this video, after all, our worst performing videos are when we say absolutely anything negative about a Robinhood top stock. You guys are seriously some savages. Anyways, like we said, their products are cool. Electric delivery vans are the future. And this transition is going to happen sooner than most people expect. And I should quickly note, they have a deal with Lordstown Motors, who paid $12.2 million for Workhorse Tech, giving Workhorse a 10% equity stake in the company who makes electric pickup trucks in an old GM facility, which is great for Workhorse. If the truck is a success, that's easy money at this point. Next, remember, Workhorse is now a billion-dollar company, and $1 billion is a lot, but the company is still considered a small cap stock and has insane growth potential. The delivery van market is expected to be around $18 billion. Of course, if Workhorse were to 2x, it's still only a $2 billion company, giving tremendous upside to investors, if Workhorse happens to play its cards right. And if the company does get the deal with USPS next week, watch its share price double. However, it goes both ways. If the company doesn't get a deal, investors will get crushed. And just so we are on the same page, the USPS is looking for 165,000 vehicles, which represents a $6.3 billion pot up for grabs. And currently, there are 4 companies in the running. The thing is, Workhorse is going to struggle to upscale their production line to meet such a massive order. But of course, if they are able to prove me wrong, it represents a massive catalyst for the company. And I should quickly note, as I've been jumping all over, Workhorse is in the last mile delivery market. They take packages out for delivery once they arrive at the handling facility. Here's their main products if you want to pause the video and take a look, but I will spare you. Anyways, let's wrap this up. With all of this in mind, what's our move? So here's the thing. We already have over a $60,000 position in Tesla, which I'm not going to get into Tesla's insane valuation. And yes, the companies are in two completely different EV markets. But regardless, our Tesla position does give us exposure to the EV market. And if I had to choose an EV company to invest in, as always, our money is where our mouth is, and clearly the winner is Tesla. The thing is, I wouldn't feel comfortable putting more than, $2,000 in Workhorse. And that would be an entertainment play at best, just to see if they get the USPS contract. Which if they were to, I would cash out in a few days, after its crazy run-up, of course. The thing is, that's not our investing strategy here at Quick Stocks. If you feel like buying the lottery ticket that is Workhorse, I certainly wouldn't fault you. It's just not for us. Anyways, guys, that's all we've got for today. As always, the best investment you can make is to go long on Quick Stocks. Hit that subscribe button now at 690 subscribers and plan an early retirement. I will catch you guys in the next one.